Welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about candlesticks. What exactly are they? But before we move to that, we're going to be talking about few more topics so we can understand candlesticks way better. So we need to understand something called trends, and in the last video as I spoke, saw that price does not move randomly, price moves in trends. So we'll understand what these trends are. One is the uptrend. Uptrend is when the price moves up. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, on the charts over there, the price has been continuously moving up, and so it makes higher highs and higher lows. So for simple explanation, let's say you're walking up a stair and you keep walking up. So eventually after some time you will reach up till wherever you have to, right? So similarly, this also, the price also keeps moving up. And next is the downtrend. So what is a downtrend? Downtrend is the exact opposite of an uptrend, and this is a chart, and this is live, like what has happened and something few in the future. Okay, and as you can see, that is how a downtrend would look if it's drawn, and this makes lower highs and lower lows. Okay, and the next is the sideway trend. So what is the sideway trend? Sideway trend is when the price is moving in a range, like let's say you're in a cage and you can only move around in that area. So let's say the price has been stuck by a cage and it's only moving around in that area. So that is what a sideway trend is. And moving on, next is the chart types. So there are three different chart types: line, bar, and candlesticks. So we'll be understanding candlestick in more detail, but I'll also be covering line chart. Bar chart I don't really use, and I don't feel it's very necessary. So let's get into what exactly is line chart. Line chart. So in line chart, we only analyze the closing of the stock. So before that, there's something called time frame. So you can either look at 1 day, 30 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. So when to use what, we'll look at that in the later videos. So right now let's just say we're using 1 day time frame. So this analyzes 1 day's price. So in line chart, we just analyze the closing price of the stock. Okay, so whatever is the closing price, it will make a dot, and tomorrow's closing price, day after, and so on, and it will make a line. So this is what we're analyzing. Moving on, now we'll talk about what exactly are candlesticks. So as we saw in the line graph just calculates the close, but the candlestick calculates the open, high, low, and close. Okay, so let's see how the candle works. So the green one means the price has moved up, and the red one means the price has moved down. So let's see how this works over here. So the price opens over here, and then it moves all the way up to the high. To be precise, it exactly opens at here, not this much. So moves up till there, till here, till this point, and then there's selling pressure, price rejection, and then it comes all the way down, and then finally it closes over here. It can actually be in any other pattern, but this is one way of explaining it. But there can be, let's say first it went down and then till the high and then it closed, any which way. And the red one means the price has come down, so it opens over here and it comes all the way down, then it goes up, and then it closes over here. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we'll be covering candlestick patterns, so stay tuned.